Hello friends, this is Ananya Pal. Today I will be talking about my upcoming English novel Kishkindha Kand. Kishkindha Kand will be published by Hornbill Press and it will be available in ebook format in Kindle, and also the physical book will be available in Amazon, not only in India but also in many other countries across the globe. And it will also be available in selected retail outlets. I will share with you all the details once the book is available in the market. Kishkindha, as you know, was mentioned in Ramayana as a Vanara kingdom. Kishkindha is modern day Hampi in the state of Karnataka. Hampi is very rich in history, not only for Kishkindha but also because of the Chalukyas who ruled in Badami area, and also the illustrious Devaraya dynasty which ruled there during medieval period. 3 years back I went to that place along with a friend, and I was mesmerized by the historical ruins and the way they are maintained and the kind of aura that has created in that place. But when I came back, I was immediately sucked into my professional commitments and I could not write a travel story. And I regretted it. And because of that, later on, I decided to write a novel where I will put my travel experience as well. You may think that this is a historical novel, but it is not. It is a contemporary novel, basically a romantic novel with a murder mystery in the center. But the travel experience of a tourist of that Hampi region is very much entwined in the plot. So if you want to enjoy a whodunit kind of murder mystery along with romance, and also want to get an experience of the amazing Hampi, please collect this book and give me feedback. I'll be very enriched from that. Thank you.